Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm very pleased to present you with this very smart Mazda 2 Colour Edition. It's currently done 62,793 miles and it's had 2 previous owners from new. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now this vehicle is limited edition, being number 327 of 1,000. And taking a look around the front here, you have your halogen headlights. As you can see, coming around to the side of the vehicle, it does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels that are finished in grey. You have your Colour Edition badge in there above the indicator on the side. And you have your black door mirrors that look very stylish and complement the vehicle well. Take a look inside at the rear here. You've got 3 rear seats. You have nice red piping that give the vehicle a nice sporty feel inside. You do have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat to the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for that peace of mind. Now you do have privacy glass that adds nice styling to the vehicle and gives you nice privacy as well. You also have a black spoiler, gives the vehicle a nice sporty look. Now opening up the boot, you have some floor mats in there. You've got a nice amount of space, you can easily fit a weekly shopping. You also have a handle there allowing you to easily close the tailgate. You have your Mazda 2 badge in there, and again the Colour Edition badge in as well. Now taking a look inside, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with a nice great effect on the steering wheel as well. You have your front seats, again with the red piping, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door here, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding is great as you can quickly fold your mirrors in if you're in a tighter space to prevent knocking them, and it's also handy if you park on a narrow road as you can fold them in to keep them protected from being knocked off by other road users. On the steering wheel here, you have some controls where you can change the volume as well as your radio station, or change tracks if you've connected your own source of audio. You can change the mode as well. In the centre here you have your radio system. It offers you FM and AM radio, and it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations and save them to the memory. You can also connect your own source of audio. You have your CD player as well as USB and auxiliary input. It's very easy to connect your device up. Have your volume there in the centre, and all the buttons are clearly laid out, making it very easy to use. Now below here you have your air conditioning, which is great as you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool. It's very straightforward to use and clearly laid out. You can also recircle the air, which is handy if you're stuck in traffic. Here on the dash as well, you have your little plaque that tells you about this being the 327th out of 1,000 limited edition Colour Edition. And below here you have a cup holder as well as a 12-volt socket and your USB and auxiliary input. Thanks for watching this video on the Mazda 2 Colour Edition. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.